Hello, everybody. Hello. This is Jacqueline Price back with another quick video. How to add 200 friends on Facebook. How to add 200 friends on Facebook with this amazing tool, Social Prospector Pro. So we're going to get right into it. This tool is amazing. It has so many different features. As you can see, I've already logged in here. And let me see if I can move this down to show you. Maybe I can't. Let's see. Nope, I can't move it. But I already logged in. I already added. So whenever you log in, the tool has to load up your friends, and they'll show up like down here in this area here. You can't see it now, but they've already been added. It's already been loaded up with your friends. And so what you want to do here, let's check out, see if I have any deactivated profiles. Oh yes, I do. Let's remove those. So deactivated profiles actually way down your timeline. So let's remove them. I'm going to select all of them, and then we're going to remove them really quickly. So I had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 deactivated profiles. So these are people who have, for whatever reason, they're not on Facebook anymore, or whatever. They changed accounts, got a new account, and deactivated the profile. And so you want to um, click here so that you can remove those profiles, so that that will allow you to add new people who are interested in your business, because you don't want to have a lot of dead weight, um, on your profile. So you want to make sure that you, when you get the link to this tool, that you periodically, check deactivated profiles. And so while we're waiting for those to be removed, I want to make sure that I appreciate you guys so much for stopping by my YouTube channel, because I'm always uploading videos to help you run your business more efficiently, put it on automation, or either giving you great businesses that will help you to earn money and put more money in your pocket. They're helping you to lose weight, all kinds of things that are, that we can, that my channel has, that will show you how to do. So those have been removed. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go here, and it's going to show you, see, look, no more than 200 friend requests per day recommended. So we're going to add some people today. And so you click here, and then what it does, it loads it up, and then you scroll and you find a post that you want. I'm going to see if I can find a post that I'm interested in, and I know I had something in mind. Okay, see, this is Grant Cardone. This is a sponsored ad. And so what I may do is, I think I may just add just a few of these people right here. Just add a few people right here on this particular ad. Just a few. I'm not going to add 200, just going to add a few. And so here it says mutual friends only. So I'm going to click this box because that makes it better, and it may add a few people. So then it says here, click start to begin. So all I have to do now is just click start right here, and then it will start, it will scroll, and then begin to add friends that are mutual. So you can also choose to skip um, individuals who are not in the USA. I did not click that this time, but if you only want USA, on your page, you can click that. So see here, like this one, Ramon, it will probably pick this one up because we have mutual friends, and that's what I picked up there. So it'll probably add him. So it hasn't, see, there you go, one. So anybody that we have mutual friend, because I clicked this box right here, those are the people that it's going to add. Because Facebook kind of wants you to have a mutual friend with somebody, and then sometimes when the person gets that friend request, they'll accept it more quickly and easier if there's mutual friends involved. And so that's the strategy that I used. And see right here, it's showing non-mutual friends that have been skipped. So those are the ones that have skipped. So far we only have one that's been added, and that's okay because you can find other posts that you can add friends from. So if I had not clicked this one here, I just wanted to show you guys this. If I had not clicked on mutual friends only, it would have sent friend requests to all of these people. Where it says add friend, it would have sent friend requests to all these people. And so I just wanted to show you guys how that works. So we're going to stop this now. We're going to stop. Okay. And I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for another. I'm going to look really quick for another ad, another post. I know I have something in mind, but I don't know if that's going to come up. Let's see here. Okay, let's try. Let's see. This is what I was looking for, but there's nobody on it. No one has liked it yet. Was looking for a specific sponsored ad like this one right here. So this is what I want right here. So we're going to try to add like a few people on this one. And then that way I can kind of show you. So this one, I'm still going to click that button and I'm going to hit start because I want whoever I'm adding, I want us to have mutual friends. So see, that one came up. This one should add. Just want to show you how it works and give you features of how it works. I don't want this video to be long, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment below. And if you need this tool to add new friends to your page or to delete inactive profiles, or to even delete non-engaging friends, this tool is amazing. And you can also earn commissions by sharing this tool with other people. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. And I appreciate you all so much for tuning in. And I'll see you guys on the next video.